Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 568 Whittier Road in Spencerport.
A spectacular country estate that is a nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this spacious foyer with side lights and a stone wall. Open to the nature view family room with a wood-burning stove, patio access, and an adjacent powder room and laundry.
Enjoy entertaining in this granite kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, a tile backsplash, and a dining area with a picture window. A formal dining room with a sliding glass door to the patio. An expansive living room with a bay window and a cozy gas fireplace, perfect for the big get-togethers.
The excitement continues upstairs with 4 spacious bedrooms, an office, and 2 full bathrooms, including this spacious primary suite with a double closet and a full bathroom, all with nature views. The quality craftsmanship for this amazing home and outbuilding is evident in the details.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the sounds of nature. In this private wooded setting with multiple entertainment-sized patios, overlooking the sprawling yard with scenic mature trees, plus the ultimate 2,000 square foot outbuilding with heating and cooling, 3-phase electric, water, multiple bays with one door being 12 by 12, the ultimate workshop, man cave, and storage for all your gear and toys.
This beautiful home and outbuilding is situated on over 5 scenic acres. In addition, there is this adjacent 6+ acre wooded parcel for expandability or to build your dream home, plus an over 3 acre parcel across the road. All together gives you ultimate privacy. Here we are in the charming village of Spencerport.
That's right, Spencerport has great restaurants and shops and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 568 Whittier Road in Spencerport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!